To integrate Bill4Time Payroll, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Settings menu. From there, select the Payroll option and click on the Integration tab. This is where you will connect your payroll system to Bill4Time. Next, choose your payroll provider from the list of available options. Bill4Time supports integration with popular payroll providers such as QuickBooks and ADP. If your provider is not listed, you can contact Bill4Time support for assistance. Once you have selected your payroll provider, you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. This will allow Bill4Time to securely connect to your payroll system. Make sure to enter the correct credentials to avoid any integration issues. After connecting your payroll system, you will need to map your Bill4Time employees to their corresponding payroll profiles. This ensures that hours and earnings are accurately synced between the two systems. You can do this by selecting the employee from the Bill4Time database and matching them to their payroll profile. It is essential to configure the payroll settings to ensure accurate data transfer. This includes setting the pay period, pay rate, and any applicable deductions or benefits. You can also set up automatic syncing to occur at regular intervals, such as daily or weekly. To test the integration, run a payroll report in Bill4Time and verify that the data is accurately reflected in your payroll system. This will help you identify any issues or discrepancies before they become major problems. Best practices for integrating Bill4Time Payroll include regularly reviewing and updating your payroll settings, ensuring accurate employee data, and monitoring the integration for any issues or errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Bill4Time Payroll and streamline your accounting and payroll processes. In conclusion, integrating Bill4Time Payroll is a straightforward process that can help you save time and reduce errors. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and successful integration and start enjoying the benefits of a streamlined payroll system.